Hello guys, and welcome back to Oubliette Walking Tours. My name is Steve and you are my friends, and I'll just get in shot, won't be a second. Here we go. And we're here in Ruabon, Wrexham, at the Wynnstay. Nice place there, been in there a few times now, and got myself a drink. So a quick heads up on some of the videos, but before I do, and this is the only one I've had. I was going to say before I do, I'll just take a swig of that. So what have I got planned for the future? I've got a number of videos, a good couple of months worth of videos that I've done at Abergynolwyn, at where else, loads of different little places. A few well, you're going to see places like Erddig and a couple of castles, Rutherland. I've got a few videos from there as well, so I'm hoping to get all of them up now. I've already started editing. I've got a few weeks worth of editing done, so that's been good. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching them. Just watching some guy watching me. He may have been watching me, wondering who I'm talking to. But yeah, so basically getting them done. I've got a number of ideas as well for the channel, so that'll be coming on soon. You will see a few more differences with the channel coming up. You will see actually me an awful lot more. Once I've especially got all of these other videos out of the way, which you don't see me on. But in the past, when I was videoing in Widnes, by the way, down by the River Mersey and so on, all around there, I did a couple of videos there where it was me talking. So you're going to see more like that, and I'm going to be going round to different places, and also I will be making sure that I'm going to do different. I mean, my plan is in the future to actually take the channel abroad, but we'll see how that is in the near future. But I also want to do places like museums as well. I've got to do some in Liverpool, Chester. There's a museum in Wrexham as well that I wouldn't mind going to. More castles, stately homes. I've already been filming all of these things, or some of these things, and I've got a good few months worth of videos, because I only put them up, as you know, of a Friday. So we'll see how that one goes. And I'm planning on going to hotels as well and doing stuff on them. So I hope you enjoy that. So I'm going to show you a little bit around here, and we'll get a feel for what I'll be doing in the future. Righty, so I'm just going to walk around a little bit of the outside of the Wynnstay and show you what it's like where I'm walking around now. So let's just flip you around. It's really quite nice here. I've been to a wedding here a few months back, and we were really impressed what they did. They've just had like a show on the other week, I believe, about weddings. So nice place. I will put up a little bit of drone video that I took when I came, and I was doing some video for this wedding of some friends of ours. So we'll just walk around this way. I love this tree, absolutely love this tree. Cool tree, one cool tree. But what I do love about this place is it's nice inside. The wedding we went to was held in that building there, but as you can see, it really, some nice old buildings here. But wait till you see the front, it's really nice. So I'll just walk around. I don't know what this is up here. Fire assembly point, but some buildings up there. Not sure what that was, but it's really nice. It's nice of a night as well, I have to say. It's lit up really well. From the car park, which is there, you're coming sort of round the side over there. I'm just going to put my glass down. I'll take that back in a minute, and that's the way into the bar, and then in there where they do the weddings. And there's a nice little alcove, so it's, well, nice little area here where you can sit down. It's locked there, and it's a lovely little road here. I'll take you around, and like I say, this is where you park, sort of to the back of the place, and they do have rooms where you can stay here as well. If memory serves me rightly, I'm not too sure, but I think my daughter told me it was about 9 rooms they have. So I'm just going to walk around the front of the Wynnstay to show you what it's like there, because it's really nice. Gorgeous road and very nice houses, which you'll see. And there's an old church there as well, just across the way. So I hope you can hear me okay. I do have my fluffy thing on my microphone, a little DeadCat, supposed to be for wind. Anyway, I will continue showing you here. As you can see, there's a sign there, bit of signage going on. And so that's Bridge Street, or is this Bridge Street? I don't know, but I think I'll cross the road and I'll be able to show you the front of the Wynnstay Arms, because it's really quite pretty. I love that red brick, Ruabon red brick. And so there's the Wynnstay itself. You can get in there. They've had wedding showcase on as we speak in January. Well, I think that's finished now. Yes, it has. It was from the 23rd to the 27th of January. But not just that, just look at these homes here, these houses. It's really lovely. And the old gate there. So I'll just walk on down. I was going to fly my drone again today, but I will show you some drone footage from when, like I say, when I did the wedding here. And I flew over the this little part of the village. So I have to be honest, when it came to some judgments, hello guys, and welcome back to Oubliette Walking Tours. My name is Steve and you are my friends. And I've come here to the Wynnstay Arms in Ruabon, and I'll just bring you closer to me. Hello guys, and welcome back to Oubliette Walking Tours. My name is Steve and you are my friends, and we're here at the lovely surroundings. Oh, I'll just get in shot in Ruabon at the Wynnstay, just behind me there, having a nice drink, and I thought I'd just give you a couple of updates. For the channel.